A new report shows retail sales beat expectations, totaling more than $680 billion in June, up by 1% after falling unexpectedly in May. It comes as inflation is up 9.1% over the past year, the highest in nearly 41 years. Business reporter Alexis Christoforous joins me live now for more on this. Alexis, what do these retail sales numbers tell you, and why are they important?
Well, they tell us that consumers remain really resilient. We're continuing to absorb the highest prices we've seen in 40 years, despite rising interest rates, despite high inflation. Consumers right now are flush with cash. Remember, we saved up a lot during the pandemic, so now we have a little more money to spend. And also, the job market remains very strong, so Americans are working, so they do have money to sort of offset these higher prices. When you look a little deeper into this report, what did we spend on? A whole broad range of things: furniture, groceries, gas. Also, Americans spent more at restaurants last month. Spending did decline, though, at building supply companies, so things like Home Depot and Lowe's. Also, clothing and department store sales were a little bit lower. But, Amazon Prime, I don't know if you took part in that this year. I usually try to buy a little something. That wrapped up this week. And if you take a look at what people were buying, it sort of gives you a window onto what matters for consumers right now. So, in years past, you might see Instapots and Roombas being bought up. This year, though, they were buying up dishwasher pods and snack packs, so it just goes to show you sort of like where the consumer's head is at right now.
Based on the constant influx of boxes to my house, it's like Prime Day every day for me, at least if you ask my husband. Gas prices, though, have been dropping, down from peak highs. Does that seem like that will continue?
There's a mixed debate out there. Gas prices, we know, hit that record high of over $5 a gallon in June. They're down now 30 straight days in a row. And the major analyst over at Gas Buddy is saying that we could see gas prices dip below $4 a gallon nationwide by mid-August. Something like 26 states already have gas at $3.99 a gallon, which is definitely a good sign.
Stocks were mixed yesterday. What are you watching for today as markets finished out the week?
We are at the start of earnings season, so we're hearing from a lot of the big banks. Their earnings have been mixed so far. We're going to see what high inflation and rising interest rates mean to businesses, because if they start to pull back, we could start to see a rise in jobless claims and in layoffs.
All right, Alexis Christoforous, great to have you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.